Happening today, there will be nearly 1 million more Ohioans eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine. WCPO's Allie Kramer live this morning with a breakdown of who's able to get the shot now and, Allie, where to go if you are eligible.
Well, yeah, Adrian, the biggest group now eligible in phase 1C and now 2 would be those adults 60 years and older. There are about 700,000 Ohioans that fit right in that 60 to 64 range that are now becoming eligible, and some of them may be here at the Cintas Center because that's where they're hosting sort of a mass vaccination clinic starting today. We really want you to understand who is becoming eligible starting today. Those groups will also include police and firefighters, child care workers, and funeral home employees. About 24 special health conditions are now eligible, including those with type 1 diabetes, pregnant women, and those with Down syndrome, cystic fibrosis, cerebral palsy. The list goes on and on for those special medical conditions. But of course, as soon as they announce that new groups are going to be included and now eligible, people shift their attention to which frontline workers are not yet included in that list. And that includes grocery store and restaurant employees, some of which are saying, look, they feel like they've been on the front lines working long hours trying to make sure that people have food, and they want vaccines as well. But Ohio's health director says that they're prioritizing vaccines by age, not by profession, so there's no timetable set yet for those groups. We also are told that cancer and kidney disease patients are also not included in the COVID-19 vaccines. All right, how do you sign up? This has been the trickiest part of this, is trying to get an appointment and finding that vaccine. If you're comfortable being on the internet and you have access to a computer, go to WCPO.com, and then right there at the top, there's a word that says coronavirus. If you click on that, you can find how to make appointments all over the tri-state. But then if you're not really familiar with the internet or able to get to a computer, you can dial 211, and that will connect you to the United Way. They have volunteers trained. I talked to my neighbor just yesterday, and she said, I called all over. I've been trying for weeks to get an appointment. This woman with 211 and United Way said she would call me back. I never thought I would hear back. And yes, she did get a call back, and she did get an appointment. And in fact, that appointment is for today. So if you call and leave a message when they're not there, I can tell you that they are returning those calls, and they will hunt down an appointment if you are eligible. For now, reporting live, Allie Kramer, WCPO 9 News.